Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVEK YouTube channel. How to download and install VLC media player on a PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. VLC media player is a great app to have on your computer. It's got multiple different uses. You may just want it as a way to go and view media and use it as a video player, but in fact, you can also do other things with it. For example, you can go and convert media to different formats, and as well as that, you can do other things with it as well, which you can go and explore. We're going to guide you through how you can go and get it on your computer step by step. Make sure this is a full guide to exactly what you need to do, and make sure you don't skip anything, as you may miss something important. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So we are going to need to go and open up a web browser. So go and open up one of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, but you could use Edge or Firefox. It doesn't matter. Now, what you need to do is go and type in VLC media player like so. And you want to come to this site, video.org. You can come to it. Now you can come, and you can read some information about it. And at the top here, we can go and see VLC media player. It's a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player. So what we can do is go and press download VLC like so. Now it's going to say downloading, and you can go and wait. Just be aware of the ads here. If it doesn't go and start, you can go and click here, and it should trigger it. After it's gone and downloaded, we now need to go and find the installer. So you can come out of the web browser you use, and you want to go and open up your file explorer. You can right-click on it and go to downloads like so. Come to the left, and what you can then do is go and find the VLC application installer here. And you want to go and double-click on it like so, and it will then open up, and we can go and press yes. Now, what you need to do is go and select the language. So we're going to use English and press OK. Now, what you can do is it says it's going to guide you through the installation. So we'll press next. Make sure you read this through and agree to it. I already have, so I'm going to press next. Now, here you can go and choose different options. So personally, I don't like to go and have the web plugin. So I'm going to go and unselect that there. But I'll go and have everything else here. And what you can do is go and press next. And you can choose a destination folder. I didn't change that. We can press install. It shouldn't go and take too long. And it's now finished. We can go and select to run VLC media player and go and press finish. And then it should go and open up. And now it's running and it's up to date. So, as I said, you can go and use it as a player. But if you press media, you can go down here and you can go and do things like convert and save, open up a network stream, capture device, and the different options at the top here as well. If you want to go and open up a video with VLC, we can go and use it as our player. So you can go and right-click on a video. I've got on my desktop, but you can do this in your folder as well. Hover over open with and you can press choose another app and you can scroll down and select VLC. You can press just once. If you always want to use it, press always and it'll then go and open up in VLC. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.